Furthermore, some people say that maybe learn from people outside Arabia. And we know that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he went outside Makkah before claiming prophethood only thrice. Once to Medina at the age of 6. Second time between the age of 9 and 11, he goes along with his uncle to Syria for a business trip. And he goes at the age of 25 to Syria when he takes the caravan of Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her. He only goes outside Makkah thrice. So to say that he went outside thrice and he learned everything of the Qur'an in these 3 occasions is absurd. Furthermore, we realize it's illogical that the Prophet could have learned from somebody else because he was so busy. He was always surrounded by the people. He was always kept busy by the people meeting him, so much so that the Qur'an says that give the Prophet a rest. So if he met some people, surely this thing would have been exposed in history. And the enemies of the Prophet were always keeping a watch on him. If he really met someone secretly, surely he would have been exposed.